What up, Keto fam? DJ Keto here, where I vlog myself cooking keto-friendly dishes, and today I'll be making a Filipino classic, Lumpia. If that sounds good to you, give this video a thumbs up. But first, Bulletproof coffee. Now on to the ingredients. We're gonna use some celery, onion, and garlic. And we're gonna chop those up very finely. And some people like to use carrots, but today we're gonna substitute that with cauliflower rice. And for the meat, we're gonna use a combination of ground beef and some pork. And every time we make lumpia, it's always a different combination of beef and chicken, or you can even add some ground shrimp if you like. For seasonings, we're just gonna do some salt and pepper. And at Costco, we found this beef bone broth. This will be the first time we'll try this, so hopefully that turns out good. And to actually keep this dish keto, we'll be using Cut the Carb flatbread. There are only 9 net carbs per sheet, and we'll be dividing each sheet into 8 pieces. Once everything is mixed together, what we like to do is cook a little piece. To make sure our seasoning is good. Once the piece is done cooking, take it off. And this is where we're gonna try it to measure our seasoning taste. Perfect. Now it's time to wrap. We have our mixture ready. We have the Cut the Carb flatbread, and what we're gonna want to do is cut each one into 8 pieces. And then my wife over here will start wrapping it all up. What's great about making lumpia is you can take this opportunity to spend some time with family, and they can help you wrap some lumpia up. As you see, you take about a tablespoon of mixture, and then you have to do this pinching method out, and you want to try and get the meat all the way out to the edge. And then you just roll it up. Once we're done wrapping all of this up, we're gonna stick this in the fridge or the freezer so the bread will get a little hard, so it'll hold its shape while we fry. So while my wife is finished wrapping the rest of the lumpia, I'm already gonna go ahead and start frying some. I have some avocado oil heated on a medium-high heat. Okay, keto fam, we're all done frying. If you're looking for something keto friendly to dip your lumpia in, I'm using this G. Hughes sugar-free sweet chili sauce that I found in my local grocery store. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more food like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Now it's time to grub.